Hey folks, welcome back to Bike Banter, where wheels meet real talk. Today, we are veering just a little off the bike lane to check out something that's turning heads and shifting gears in India's automotive future, the 2026 Tata Romo. Now, Tata's been on a roll lately. From EVs to concept reveals, they've been dialing up the innovation. But the Romo, this one's different. It's not just another electric car. It's a statement. A bold, futuristic, no-holds-barred take on what urban mobility could look like, especially for those who want to ditch the bulk and keep it smart. At first glance, the Romo almost looks like something out of a graphic novel. Sleek edges, sharp lights, and that compact body, it's got the kind of aesthetic that screams, "I belong in 2026. And honestly, it kind of does. But here's the catch, it's not a full-size car. It's closer to a quadricycle or micro EV, a segment that's gaining popularity in India's traffic-heavy cities. Think of it as a stylish upgrade from your average scooter or moped, with the safety and comfort of a closed cabin. Weather protection, digital dashboard, EV range, and yeah, zero emissions. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, it's powered by Tata's Ziptron technology. Expect a modest battery, probably somewhere in the 15 to 20 kilowatt-hours range. It's not meant to take you on a road trip from Mumbai to Manali, but for your daily 30-40 kilometers urban grind. Perfect. Inside, it's minimal but tech-forward. Tata's focusing on connectivity, app integration, voice commands, and that always online vibe. This is the kind of vehicle that talks to your phone, maps your routes, and maybe even tells you where the nearest samosa joint is. Now, let's be real, this isn't for everyone. If you are all about raw power or road trips, the Romo's not your ride. But if you are commuting solo, zipping through crowded lanes, and want a compact EV that's actually cool, this could be your next go-to. What really makes the Romo exciting is what it represents. It's Tata betting big on the future of compact electric mobility. A middle ground between two-wheelers and full-sized cars. A futuristic alternative that could actually change the way young India thinks about getting around, price-wise. No official number yet, but insiders are guessing it could land around 4 rupees to 6 lakh rupees. It might even come with subscription-based ownership, which is pretty wild for an Indian market, but also kind of genius. So, whether you are a biker looking for a backup ride, or just curious about where India's headed in the EV space, keep your eye on the Romo. It's weird. It's different. And maybe, it's exactly what the future ordered. If you like this detour into the four-wheeled world, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you ride a Tata Romo through city traffic? Or are you sticking to your bike no matter what? Catch you in the next ride. Until then, ride safe, ride smart. This is Bike Banter, signing off.